So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you a few questions. And what I would like for you to do is type in the problem and then create an estimate. All right?
Okay.
All right. So here's the first problem. The first problem is 9,531
No.
531 divided by 32. Now I want you to talk out loud as you create your estimate. Can you do that for me?
Okay.
Just talk out loud. Tell me what you're thinking.
Okay, so first I'm gonna round 9,531 to 10,032 to 30. And 30, 60.
You want some paper?
Yes.
No, think out loud. Just think out loud for me.
36. Wait. Then I'm gonna count up to 10,000, I guess. Oh wait. I got a better idea. I'll just wait. 32 times 1,000 is 3,000. And then you can times it by 2, no 3 to get 9,000, and it's about wait. And then 1,000. So right now we have 1,003, and then 38. So I'm gonna wait. Then times 300, it's me 9,900.
So what would your solution be? Your estimate be? You gotta hit the estimation symbol. Okay. And your estimation would be what?
1,000, wait. 300.
Okay. Okay, hit okay. Wow, what does that tell you?
That's way over.
So 1,306 is way over. So what do you have to do? Is the actual answer above or below that?
Below.
How much below? A lot or a little?
A lot.
All right, so we know it's not 1,300. All right, 1,006. You think the estimate's above or below that?
Below.
So here, let's just think through this.
I'm gonna put 300. I was about to put 300.
So we know it's going to be less than 1,000, right? And so let's just suppose we did this. You have 9,531.
Yeah, I know what I messed up with.
Okay.
I times it by 1,000 when I needed to times it by 100.
Okay, so
So about 300. 306.
wow. So look what happened. So you said you timed it by 1,000 when you should have timed it by 100, and look what happened. You got really close, really close. Nice work. Let's do another problem, okay?
Now hit clear.
Are you gonna hit clear? So here's another problem. I'm gonna ask you a decimal problem this time. All right?
How do I make it decimals? What is it?
So here we go. 28 and 2600ths divided by 3 and 9/10. All right, work your way through it.
Okay. So times won't help because times 3 would get it to 9, 7 to 12 and 2/10.
12 and 2/10. Take a look at it again. Tell me how you got 12 and 2/10.
I times 3.9 by 3.
Okay, so let's think about this. What's 3 times 12?
3 times 12 is 34.
3 times 12 is 34?
No. Yeah, 36.
36. So if you did 12 and a decimal, would that be more than 28.26 or less than 28.26?
More.
So will your answer be 12 and something or less than 12 and something?
Less than 12.
So what do you
I'm
want?
gonna go with 9.
Why 9?
Because 10 would be too much and it would be 30, but 9 would be about 27.
All right, so try 9. Wow, look what happened. Is your answer above or below 9?
Below.
So what are you going to have to do?
What it says.
Hmm?
I don't know.
Hmm?
Go down a number again.
So what are you going to go down to?
I'm gonna go down to 7.
Why 7?
Because it looks like it was like about like to right here, so I think 8 would be like right out here, so 7 would be closer.
Let's look at this number here. 3 and 9/10. What whole number is that close to?
4.
4. And what do we know? What number times 4 would get me close to 28?
6? No. Yes, 6.
What's 4 times 6?
Isn't that 24?
Is there another number that would get me even closer to 28 and 2/6?
7?
What's 4 times 7?
29. No. 28.
28, and look at that number.
Yeah.
So does your answer make sense here?
Yes.
All right, clear it up. Let's try a multiplication problem.
Okay.
All right, 12 and 6/10 times 11 and 4/10.
Oops.
Here, clear. Okay, good. Take a look at that problem and think out loud.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna round that to 11, round that to 13. 13 times 11 is, wait. 13, 26, 39, 52, 65. I think I've used like 6 now. So that's
So what are you doing?
5. Adding 13.
Oh, you skipped counting by 13. Is there another way to look at this problem? What do you know about this problem?
Those two. Yeah. 4 times the.
Listen, can you think of a multiplication problem that's close to 11 times 12 that you know the answer to already?
12 times 12.
And what's 12 times 12?
144.
144. And how can you use that information to figure out this problem?
Because it's 13 and 11. Couldn't you take 1 off 13 and add it to 11? So they're both 12, and that would get you close.
All right, you want to try? See,
Okay.
hit. Wow. Wow. So what did you do again? What did you do to get that?
So, I rounded 11 to 11, 12 to 13. And if you take one off 13 and add it to 11, they're both 12, and that would get you pretty close. And 12 times 12 is 144.
So sometimes when we're doing estimations, sometimes we have to look at the problem and think of the problem that we already know the solution to in order to do it.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
All right, so let's take a look here.
Clear?
Go ahead and clear it. I have another problem for you. 76, this is a whole number problem, times 89.
Okay, I'm gonna round 76 to 80 and 89 to 90. So 80 times 90.
Is there a problem that you can use 80 times 90?
8 times 9.
What's 8 times 9?
That is 17. No, that's plus. 8 times 9 is 72. Then add a 0, 720.
Why did you add zeros?
Because first we dropped the 0, and then at the end of the problem you have to add it back on.
How many zeros did you drop?
1,
80 times 79.
2.
Oh, okay.
But
Well, let's see. Try 720. See what happens.
oh,
Too low. So what did
so 7, 2, 0.
Nice job. So when you drop the 2 zeros, you got to add them back in. All right.
Clear.
All right. Clear. That was fun. All
That's
right.
it?
That's it. All right. Thank you.